This video is brought to you by Flower Magazine. See the description of this video to subscribe now and receive 6 copies each year for more beautiful interior design, flowers, and gardens.
My starting point for each of the spaces was just to make it very feminine, but yet kind of modern and chic and fun and sophisticated. Hi, my name is Julie Dodson and I'm with Dodson Interiors in Houston, Texas. The spaces we designed were the primary bathroom as well as her closet and then some of the adjoining spaces. One of my favorite moments is definitely the Fromental wallpaper that is in her vestibule. The colors are just so vibrant and it's just so cheerful and it draws your eye in. The ceiling wallpaper in her closet from Portertilio, it just adds that edge to a more traditional space, which is something that I absolutely loved. And we custom colored the paper, which is even more special. Another one of my most favorite moments is the Fortuny fabric that we had paper backed and we upholstered to the wall, and it just turned out to die for. And then we added trim and nail heads just to send it over the top. In designing these multiple spaces, I loved the opportunity that we had to use wallpapers in different scales and different patterns, and figuring out how to unite all of those together was one of the most fun parts about designing this space, was just that flow that the wallpapers created as it took you from room to room to room. When we really began to design the closet, her closet, it was so important for me to imagine a woman as she's in there and she's getting ready for a party and getting ready for an event, and how she lives and how she moves in that space. One of the most important things for me was to get that 3-way mirror in her closet, because when you are getting dressed and getting ready to go to an event, you want to stand in front of there and really be able to check your outfit out and make sure everything looks good. So that 3-way mirror for me was huge in making her closet just extra special. So this show house to me is absolutely incredible. There are so many just well-designed spaces that I am so excited to tour them more and really study them more, because there is so much to see and every space is so incredibly beautiful and so incredibly detailed that it really is a special house and such a special project to be a part of. So for more on this incredible house, go check out Flower Magazine on YouTube.